Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome back to my channel once again. I go by the name Prince, aka Slum Beast, and you already know. We love what we do. We know how we do, and this is what we do. Lovely people, you are watching Extra Base channel. Yeah. And it's been 24 hours since I launched my online product, and I have not made any sales yet. Yeah, I mean 0 sales, nothing yet, I'm beginning to think, did I do something wrong? Or did something go wrong somewhere? Or, I'm not really kind of like built for this or meant for this, people. Yeah, it can get a little bit frustrating and, draining sometimes, but it is what it is. If you didn't see my last video, I started from 0 with no experience and no idea, but I'm trying to make £1,000 online, selling online digital products. Yeah, an ebook to be precise, People, I started with 0 with no experience. I hear people talking about making money online, and yeah, everybody is trying to, go online to make money. So I said to myself, why not? Why not also take up this challenge and, set up a product or launch a product and try to make sales online. So it's been day 2 and nothing yet, no sales yet, people. Yeah, let's see where it goes. Yeah, it's a bit tough, and it's very challenging as well to launch your product out there and see 0 sales. You understand? Yeah, it's very draining, it's very discouraging, and I've been getting a whole lot of thoughts in my head, should I have done this or should I have done something else? You understand? So yeah, these are some of the challenges that comes along with online products. You understand? You launch your product, you leave it out there, and no one visits the website. Nobody talks about it, not even a single sale. It's frustrating, and I believe I'm frustrated now. You understand? But I'm not gonna let that one, keep me down or shut me up. We'll still do it, my people. So my plan for today is actually getting people to see the products. You understand? Yeah. I started creating content about it to drive more traffic for people to see what's really going on. You understand? And yeah, there's nothing I can do else. Once the product is launched and it's out there, people have to see it. People need to come get it. You understand? I believe it's going to change people's life, especially immigrants and those who just got here in the UK. This product is for you, people. Come grab your copies now. So people, I kind of realized something again today. Yeah, I realized creating the product alone is not enough, Yes, if you sit at home and you're like, oh, you need to sell online and you just create the product alone and leave them online, that's not the best option. It's not the ideal option. People, you need to gain people's trust. People need to trust you. You understand? People need to trust whoever they are buying their product from. And you need to grab people's attention as well. Yeah, and grabbing people's attention as a first time online seller it's not an easy task, my people. Yeah, I know it's a very difficult task, but we're still gonna do it. We're gonna get it done. So people, I need your attention as well, and I'll need you to grab your copies now. So someone will ask, what am I doing to get people's attention, or what am I doing to grab people's attention on the product? By creating content and staying consistency. You understand? By sharing it everywhere, yeah, which I've done so far. I've shared it on a couple of platforms, and yeah, I'm trying to create content about it to kind of like, throw more light on the product I've done so people can patronize it. You understand? So yeah, still day 2 and no sales yet, but giving up. So I decided to use this plan now. I'm just gonna stay consistent. Yeah, whether you like it or not, you're gonna see me on YouTube. Yeah, I'll be on your screens, I'll be staying consistent and be producing more content to market the product. You understand? And then to gain people's trust as well, because I kind of believe once people trying to see you more or you appear more on their screens, you kind of gain a little bit of their trust. And by gaining their trust, they kind of, understand, test your product. And if it makes a difference to them, bro, that's it. You begin making some profit. How long is going to, get people to start patronizing my product? But still, fingers crossed, you understand. I'm still gonna, advertise it, create content to push it, and try to get people's attention to check out what I've got. If you want to check out what I did, or if you also want to start something of your own, people, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Check on the link and visit the website where I've got the products on. Check my product out. It's only £6. You understand? Buy it, read it, grab the knowledge is within, and I hope it's gonna better your life, people. So yeah, that's all for day 2. 0 product launch, 0 sales. And let's watch out for day 3, because you never know, You never know, you might be making our first sale in day 3, or yeah. So it is what it is, people. Stay tuned and watch out for day 3. It's peace.